Good. How are you?
I'm good, and thanks for asking me. And you?
Good. Can't complain.
Everything is okay?
Weather? The weather has been just awful. Just awful, the weather.
Last 2 days in my country, raining and raining. Now it stopped and everything is normal.
Yeah, it's been raining here. Rain.
In my country too. It's so painful for me. I don't like too much rain.
Waleed, are you gonna host? Somebody's asking if you're gonna host.
Yeah.
It rained here all day too, Jesse. It did.
What are you
Hi,
doing?
hello.
Yeah, you are free? You doing live in the morning time?
Possibly. Maybe. I really need to. I have my curriculum written out, so I'm ready to start recording English. My next English classes for intermediate. I'm just procrastinating. I don't know what's wrong with me. I haven't been feeling very well. Maybe you can say a prayer for me.
Yeah, sure, why not? Do you have plan today? Any plan?
No, it's almost 9:30, so probably we'll be getting to bed soon. Good night.
Night, and my country is morning here. My mom is very very sick today.
Your mom?
Yeah. Now she's better. She feel better. Pray for her.
Yes, I will pray for your mom.
Thank you.
I hope that she gets better.
Thanks.
Is it the weather? Or
Weather is normal. In your countries, what happened?
the lights? You couldn't see it because there was a background, but the lights just went out.
You afraid when this weather?
No. Nothing to be afraid of.
But my wife are very afraid when this kind of weather. She don't like.
Really?
Yeah, you are a brave person. That's why you don't afraid.
Brave? Well, thank you, Waleed. Yes, it knocked out the internet.
Yeah, it's a bad connection. I think that's why sometimes it's. I like your personality. Do you know
No,
that?
well, when the lights went out, the internet went